So if you were to ask me what is the biggest roadblock to people have to investing in real estate, the answer might surprise you. And that's because I believe the biggest roadblock that most people have to investing in real estate is simply their mindset or their limiting beliefs in themselves and what their capabilities are. So let me explain a little bit more about what I mean by that. So we in our lives will only pursue goals if we believe internally that we are able to achieve them. Because until we believe that we're able to achieve them, we won't go out and take the massive action and steps necessary to work towards those achievements. And so as I'm working with students in Michael's program, I see this all the time. Folks coming in and they just simply don't have the belief that they can go and buy a large multifamily complex on their own. And so there's a couple different things that you can do to work towards those limiting beliefs. First of all, you need to identify what they are, right? And it could be a lot of different things, like I can't raise the money, or I don't know how to analyze deals, or I don't have the right network, or I don't have the work ethic. Whatever the thought might be, you need to put it down on paper and identify what those limiting beliefs are. And then one thing that I've learned about overcoming limiting beliefs, both as a coach and in my own real estate investing career, is that there's really two main ways that we can work towards overcoming limiting beliefs. The first one is to surround ourselves with other people who are like-minded in the sense that they've either already overcome those limiting beliefs or they're working with us alongside us to help us overcome those beliefs. And I think that's one of the big benefits of having a mentor or a coach in anything, is that mentor or coach can help you to identify those beliefs and work through those in your head and help you believe in yourself that you can overcome those. The second way that we can overcome limiting beliefs is by taking massive action and big steps forward. So let me explain what I mean by that. If you're a runner and you currently go out and run 3 miles at a time, you may think that a half marathon sounds extremely difficult, right? But if you made a decision, hey, I'm going to go out and next week I'm going to run a marathon, and I may walk half of it. It may not be pretty, but like I'm going to make it through 26 miles. When you get to the finish line of that, suddenly your belief in yourself is way, way higher than what it was before. And so that next week, if you think, well, I'm going to go run a half marathon, it seems significantly more achievable than it did before. And so those are the two basic ways that we can overcome our limiting beliefs. Surround ourselves with people who have already overcome them, with the people that we want to become, right? So I want to become a successful real estate investor. I need to hang around other successful real estate investors. And, maybe I'm trying to buy my first multifamily complex and I need to stretch. Well, that may mean going in, touring a property, putting in an offer on it, and having the broker call you and tell you the offer is not going to work, right? Kind of getting kicked in the ring, so to speak. And what that does is it helps you overcome that fear and realize, hey, this wasn't as bad as what I thought it was. And that's what pushes your mind forward and elevates your ability to believe in yourself, which then will translate into the actions that you need to take to achieve your goals. And so one of the biggest benefits of mentorship is having someone in your corner who can both you surround yourself with to learn from and help increase, or I should say decrease, the limiting beliefs and increase the belief in yourself, and also to push you out of your comfort zone to go take on those big challenges that are going to help you to believe in yourself more. So if you want to learn more about mentorship and what that looks like within multifamily, feel free to reach out to Michael and we can certainly help you out with that.